It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I ask perfection of a perfect world. And fool enough to think that's what I'll find.